Hi, my name is Tian. I'm from a small town in the Free State called Botawil in South Africa, and I have worked in the US for 3 years. I worked in North Dakota for 1 year and 2 years in Utah. In Utah, I was basically in charge of 35 pivots where I had to do maintenance on them and make sure everything is running smoothly every day. And we also planted alfalfa, and I did a lot of hauling with trucks from the farm to the dairies because we did a lot of corn silage, and it had to be taken to the dairy daily for them to feed the cows. And I was also on the windrower a lot, cutting the hay, and we also planted some grain that was also cut with the windrowers. And yeah, I've done a lot of truck driving and just basic maintenance on the vehicles and the tractors. And in North Dakota, I was a grain cart driver for the whole harvest season. And also I started out doing truck driving and basic maintenance and helping mixing chemicals. And yeah, that's about it.